Welcome back to the Rezoomex Podcast. Today we're diving into how smart contracts can reshape motivation inside enterprises. We'll explore how they go beyond standard employment agreements and why, surprisingly, a bit of uncertainty might be the key to employee engagement. With me is Vinayak, who has been experimenting with this idea. Vinayak, great to have you.
Thanks, Aria. Excited to be here.
Employees already have salaries. Why would companies add smart contracts?
Salaries are predictable and stable, which is important. But stability rarely fuels motivation. Smart contracts add a performance linked, outcome based layer. Even if the reward is small compared to salary, it feels meaningful because it's tied to outcomes the team achieves together. And unlike centralized payroll, smart contracts can be team driven, designed by those closest to the work. That visibility makes recognition feel immediate and fair.
But doesn't compensation usually come from HR or finance?
Salaries do. They're centralized and distant. Smart contracts don't have to be. They can be created by teams, innovators, or respected entrepreneurs inside the company, often in decentralized autonomous organization like setups. Massachusetts Institute of Technology research shows that rewards from socially prominent colleagues or respected leaders have a stronger motivational effect. So, if an admired leader encodes a smart contract around a stretch goal, the payout is not just money, it's recognition, codified in code.
You've also linked this to neuroscience.
Exactly. In Harvard's experiments with mice, dopamine spiked higher when rewards were uncertain rather than guaranteed. The suspense drives engagement. Smart contracts can embed that principle ethically. Predictable base rewards plus occasional kickers for exceeding goals. That uncertainty turns work from routine into challenge.
But does this really work in the corporate world?
It does, if designed well. In today's volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous world, outcomes depend on environmental factors and team strategy. Smart contracts mirror that uncertainty fairly, motivating teams to overcome odds rather than just log hours.
Let's flip the lens. What do companies gain?
They gain protection on their biggest investments. M&A and offshoring cost millions, yet most fail due to mistrust and cultural divides. Smart contracts are transparent, automatic, and trust agnostic. They align people faster than policies or handshakes. And here's where AI bots come in. At Rezoomex, we use bots that generate smart contracts automatically from the company's goals. Follow the Rezoomex playbook to standardize best practices, pilots, stretch goals, reward splits. Operate in multiple languages so a team in Poland, India, and Brazil all see the same rules in their own language at the same time. That multilingual transparency bridges the cultural gap. Everyone feels the system is fair no matter where they sit. And when the cost of failure is in the millions, the incremental spend on smart contracts delivered by bots is tiny but transformative.
And how does a company actually start?
Start with a playbook, pick a pilot, choose a cross-functional or post-M&A team, 60 to 90 days, 6 to 12 people. Set a stretch outcome. Select key performance indicators. No single function can hit alone. Encode a smart contract. AI bots draft the if-then logic, link it to data oracles, and translate it into every team's working language. Launch transparently, share a one-pager, a multilingual dashboard, and progress tracking. Retrospect. Autopay when done. Review learnings. Capture templates. Publicize and scale. Celebrate success, make the team a poster child, mentor others, and roll out across the enterprise.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. A support integration team across India, Poland, and the US. Stretch goal set for 90 days. SLA greater than or equal to 95%, backlog minus 25%, customer satisfaction index plus 3, cost to serve minus 10%. Reward was set to $50,000 pool plus $10,000 kicker for overachievement. Rewards were split 70% equal, 30% peer allocated. Bot creates the contract. connects to Jira, Zendesk, finance systems, and publishes dashboards in English, Polish, and Hindi. Outcome was amazing. Once the team wins together, internal differences fade, they collaborate across borders and chase the kicker as a single unit.
So, the recipe is use AI bots to design multilingual smart contracts. Start with a pilot, celebrate success, and then scale, turning teams into poster children for collaboration.
Exactly. It's about more than money. It's about recognition, fairness, and trust, all delivered in people's own language in real time. That's how you protect big investments and unlock motivation in today's global enterprises.
Fantastic. Thank you, Vinayak.
My pleasure.
And thanks to our listeners. Until next time, this is the Rezoomex Podcast.